really pushed me to dream and try and try. So, thank you na along my journey and during my journey, you appreciate the Philippines more because I represented, grabe ba, first Asian Filipino. Yun, sarap, sarap. So I'm ready to sing my next song. This song is... Wag naman lahat. Sa lahat ng songs ko, grabe, napakahirap. Totoo lang, walang biro. Iniyakan ko lang talaga yung ibang songs ko na grabe naman, parang tatanggalin talaga ako. Pero syempre, you know what? Bisaya talaga are very resilient. Filipinos are resilient, pero grabe yung Bisaya. Kanang hambugiro ba? Hambugiro. And we are proud to be like that. Basta hindi ka lang tumatapak ng ibang tao. And you just do the best thing that you are to better yourself. We are very much eligible to do that. And me as a dreamer, I get to sing one of the classic songs from the King of Rock. This song, when I did this song, I give you a trivia. 1956 of December 1956 of December 2, he performed this song and it became the #1 hit show and highest rating for NBC. 56 years later, I did that song December 2. Same day.
Yawa.
What are the odds? And this is called If I Can Dream.